as we continue to pack our case. This segment I want to talk about packing small items and making use of the little holes and nooks and crannies that you find as you go along. Anything small, be it a little travel case or whatever, look for empty spaces, kind of like fitting the pieces in a puzzle as you go. This actually is little binoculars, but it's already in its own case, so I'm going to try and find a spot to put it. I'm not going to stick it next to a corner though, because I do want it to be protected a little bit. So I'll find a little spot, kind of snuggle it in underneath something. Then socks. That's always a really good thing to make use of, and actually it can have double duty. Another good item to take along when you're traveling, it's a small item, but something that I think is very helpful, is a nightlight. Where you're going you may not be familiar with. It's always a good thing, whatever room you're in, to have a nightlight in case you get up and you're not familiar with your surroundings. Kind of a nifty thing, and not everybody thinks of it. But double duty, we're going to wrap it inside a sock. There again, making use of any little empty spot we can find. There's one. Underneath, take socks, roll them. You can always smush them down in the corner too, even behind the shoes. The idea is to try and make it as flat, as a level as you can, so that there are no hills and valleys along the way. We'll be back with the next segment to see what else we're going to pack.